heated it up to 180, then turn the heat off, take it off the heat, sit and be at 180 for 3 minutes.
Then it's going to go into the water. And I put ice in there just to speed it up until it gets to 110, and then it comes out of there for the next step.
Now we're bringing it down to 110.
We're breaking it down now.
Yeah, we're breaking it down now.
Clubbing in the kitchen. Clubbing with a K. K-L-U-B-B-I-N-G in the kitchen. In the kitchen.
That takes a while. Man, this is a process.
Oh, my goodness. It's either this or chemicals in your yogurt. All right. We got that cooled down to 110. We're going to get a tablespoon of our previous yogi. Put it in there. Mix in some of this. You got to wait till it gets down to 110, otherwise you'll kill your probies. Doesn't really matter how much. Just a fair amount. Whisk it in, make sure it's really good in here.
And now that yogurt is fair game for us to eat, right?
Yeah, now we can eat this. This is our previous batch. If you, I guess you're just starting, you gotta, some other yogurt to start it, or you can get, they have yogurt starters. But
we won't get into it. We won't confuse you today with that.
This is just how we do it. Okay, so good and whisked in.
Babe, do you know that that's kind of off?
Back in there. I'm kind of off. Make sure it gets whisked in there so it's mixed in. Now you have the good cultures all the way in. And then you can just pour it into your jars. I pour it back into here because then it makes it easier to go into the jars.
Do I need to see this again?
I don't know, do you?
Just see how you do one. Alright, so now we're filling the jars up.
Hit this till you get to 7.
You guys can't be those because I know the best open in the game. Doilies? Yeah. Double doilies. Wait, we should do a double pump. We have to double pump. Can you? Yeah, you just have to shoot one pump and then. Yeah, but it's not fast. Yeah, that's a challenge. It's like.
Balance this bad boy because it doesn't fit perfect. Just make sure it's even.
Okay, I gotta say that out loud again. It doesn't fit perfect.
Doesn't fit
just
perfect.
balance.
This is an extension. This is made for these little guys. But that only makes like not much. So I made my extension for big boys, and it actually fits quarts as well.
Homegrown.
That's how
Flow
you do
grown.
it. Knee grown.
Knee grown. Nebraska grown. Now we're flow grown.
7 hours. Don't touch it. Beeps when it's done.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.